Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to record your voice while screen recording on iPhone. Now, if you want to record your voice also while screen recording on iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. First thing what you need to do is that you just need to go to settings and you just need to click on the option of search and search screen record. So if you don't see the option of screen record on settings, then you just need to go back to your home page and scroll from the very top right hand side, and this is the control center of iPhone where you will see various options like this. So here you will only see the things which you have kept as a control. So if you have not kept the screen record as control, then you won't be able to find it. So long press on the empty place at the very bottom and click on the option of add a control, and here you will see the option of screen record anywhere around here. So simply tap on it and add on the control center. So after tapping that, you just need to long press on the screen record, and here you will see the option of microphone. So if it is off, then you won't be able to record your voice, so make sure to tap on it and it will be automatically enabled. So that's it. That's how you can record your voice while screen recording on iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.